Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning out a PS4 1215A model, and the guy that asked me to clean this out said that as soon as you turn it on, within like 5 minutes, it gives you a warning saying that the PS4 is overheating, and it just shuts off. And as you can see here, there's a whole bunch of dirt and dust just all in the ports, and we're gonna go ahead and clean this out. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take off these two warranty stickers right here. And remember, if you do take them off, it does void the warranty. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and get our security screws, or however you want to call them. I call them star-shaped screws because that's what they look like to me. But there's two of them, and then you're going to go ahead and take those off. Okay, so the next thing that I did was I went ahead and flipped over the PS4. And I went and took off this front cover, and as you guys can see, it is very dirty and just filled with dust and absolutely disgusting. Then I took out my Phillips screw that was holding down the hard drive. Then I also took out the hard drive. I took all the dust off and all that. Then I also got my bottle of compressed air and sprayed all that down. right here, all I use is rubbing alcohol to clean it all off, and I just used a rag. So I just took this off. This was like right by the fan. I took off the motherboard. I took off everything right here, and then so this was like this way. Sorry, and I lift it up, and I take it off, and all this. And anytime I was just testing Call of Duty, and it would say that like the PS4 was overheating. So then it would just shut off, and that was probably the reason. Insane.
Wow.
Then right here, all I use is that thin little metal piece to get right in between the two black plastic pieces, and I just stuck it in and pulled it back just a little bit, and then after that I just took off the back piece and started cleaning again. And as soon as I take off this back cover, you can see everything is just filled and covered in dust and dirt, and that is another problem. Then what I did was I got my star-shaped screwdriver and I took off these 3 security screws, and then after that I went ahead and got my Phillips screwdriver and took off 2 Phillips screws that are holding down that thin metal plate. Next, I turned around the PS4, and as you can see, there is a plug in here, and that is to the power supply. You're going to go ahead and unplug that. Then all I did was I lifted up the power supply very carefully, and then I just went on to cleaning again. Then what I did here with this disgusting fan was I got some thin tweezers, metal tweezers, and I went ahead and scraped off like this dust right here. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It is a mixture of dust and something else. And then also I used rubbing alcohol and Q-tips to finish cleaning all of it off. And the next thing that I did was I went ahead and just on the outside of the PS4, I started cleaning out all the dust, all the dirt, and in all the ports, and just took everything out. After that, I went ahead and I got my power supply, and I got my 2 Phillips screws, and then my 3 security screws, and I went ahead and put those back in. After all the screws were in, after every plug was plugged in, I went ahead and put on the back cover on and screwed in the last 2 security screws. I also got some rubbing alcohol, sprayed the cover, and got a rag and cleaned all the dirty spots off. I do hope that this video did help you guys out. If you are new, make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on the post notifications so you guys know when we upload, and see you guys next time. Bye!